Gun 9 on your side, live at 10, starts right now.
President Trump, if you want to open the government, you must abandon the wall.
Stalemate on Capitol Hill today, marking the first full day of the partial government shutdown. Congress and the president could not come to an agreement on border security spending, specifically $5 billion for a border wall. The government standoff now disrupting many government operations, including right here in Tucson. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jason Barr. The government shutdown affecting millions of government workers across the country. Our national parks are closing, and well, it's affecting a lot across the country. And here, our national parks are closing, and they're going to have to give furloughs to employees. Now on your sides, Taja Davis joins us now. And Taja, earlier today you talked with the Saguaro National Park.
That's right, Jason. The national park is definitely feeling the impact of the government shutting down. But for those of you planning on visiting during your winter break, here are some changes that you need to know of for the time being. Furlough notices started issuing out today for those who work in Saguaro National Park. These employees now have to wait at home for the government to open back up. But during that time, here's what's changing.
When you arrive at the park, both visitor centers will be closed. This is because due to the lapse of appropriations, we do not have money to pay staff. So any facility that requires staff presence is going to be closed. That includes the contact station, the education building and programs, and ranger-guided walks and hikes. If you come out to one of the trailheads and plan on going for a hike, we're not going to close the trailheads. We're not going to chase you off the trails. The roads are going to continue to be open. But the major thing to know, if you do want to visit the park during this shutdown, the emergency response staff will not be at its usual staffing levels. So our responses to anything, should it go sideways, is going to be delayed. So really take care of yourselves when you come out. And another courteous reminder, the park's custodial staff has also been furloughed. If you are using one of our picnic areas, if you can remember just to pack your trash back out with you, that'll help us keep those areas accessible longer while the government shutdown is occurring. Now, 4/5 of the forest and national parks across the nation are affected by this. The Grand Canyon, however, is staying open. Governor Doug Ducey tweeted this morning saying, quote, "Keep your travel plans. The Grand Canyon is still open." Taja Davis, KGUN 9 on your side.